Okay, this slide is called true or false. We're going to substitute the variable or the letter with the determined value that's off here to the side, and then we're going to solve the inequality and circle if it's true or false. A lot of this, I didn't leave room in here for you to actually write anything down because it's a lot of mental math. So for instance, if my k equals 11, so I'll put an 11 here, and it will be 11 plus 8. So 11 plus 8 equals, so we know 8 plus 1 equals 9. So I have a 1 and a 9, so 19. Is 19 greater than or equal to 19? Well, if we go back and we remember our slide number 4, it does equal 19 equals 19. So to have that line underneath, then this statement would then be true. If it just said greater than, it would be a false statement. But because it has that line underneath, 8 plus 11 equals 19. 19 is greater than or equal to 19. That's true. All right, so now we have 12 is greater than f. F equals 3. So it would be 12 is greater than 3. We do know that if we look at a number line, 12 is greater than 3. So I'm going to go ahead and circle true. I have 2j. When the 2 and the j are side by side, we're multiplying. So 2 times j is less than or equal to 8. Well, my j is going to equal 5. So it will be 2 times 5 is 10. And then let's finish the statement. 10 is less than or equal to 8. Do we know if 10 is less than 8? Well, it's not. If we look on that number line, it's not. It's not even equal to 8. So that statement we would call false. All right, so the very last one, and they've added some more things in here. So again, mental math, try and keep it all in your head. I have 5r, so when it's like this together, just like we did up here, we're going to be multiplying. 5 times r minus 3 is greater than or equal to 25. So 5 times r, if r equals 6, what's 5 times 6? If you need to, count on your fingers, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Or something that maybe you've memorized your multiplication tables. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 minus 3 equals, try and think in your head, 30, count on your fingers, 29, 28, 27. You can use your fingers, that's fine. If you want to try and think in your head what you have, that's okay too. I can't see you, so using fingers are good. We have them there, might as well use them. So we have 27. Is 27 greater than or equal to 25? If we look on our number line, 27 is greater than 25. So I'm going to go ahead and put this over here. Again, there wasn't a whole lot going on right here. We could do a lot of this within our head. I'm not going to make you write stuff down that you can actually do in your head. If I do see that you're consistently getting things wrong, I'm going to have you write down the steps and show me your thought process so we can just figure out where it is we might be going wrong. There's nothing wrong with writing stuff down. However, if we can do a lot in our head because we have memorized our multiplication tables, we can do some simple math, that's fine too. But these are the answers for the slides. Hopefully you already solved them and indicated true, true, false, true before looking at this video. And now you're just going to go ahead and check your answers instead of just copying off the video and not figuring it out for yourself.